Greetings to my unbelievable, beautiful V family all over the world. This is your one and only Chief Padman Senatiraja, sitting here in my new office, which I hope all of you get to see. And guys, it's time. We're getting closer and closer and closer to VCon Malaysia. One people, one planet, one purpose. I am getting freaking excited because to be able to see all of you beautiful, beautiful people at the Spice Arena, Penang Island, Malaysia on the 24th of April, to hear that excitement from your voices, to feel that love, that energy, to see our grand uplines, Dato Sri Vijay and Japa on stage live, to hear from the V partners, to hear from your uplines, to meet the in-service, the core in-service. It's just exciting, guys. It's like my annual pilgrimage. And VCon Malaysia is going to be a wow event. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be different. Every year we try to raise the bar higher. Okay, guys? So if you have not registered, if you haven't booked your ticket, your flight, your hotel to come to VCon, there's something seriously wrong with you. Because VCon is no longer a choice. It is not a holiday. It's a necessity. It's to fill up that cup with what you need. It's to open your mind, open your heart, for you to truly understand that you don't just belong to a network marketing company, but you belong to a revolution. You belong to the most powerful network marketing organization on this planet, the V. Alright? And when you go back, you're going to max out. That's all I can say. So come to VCon. Now this Wednesday message is something I've been thinking about the past 2 days a lot. Because all my videos, whenever you watch any of my videos, I keep telling you, don't switch off, stay switched on. I talk about your committed leaders. I talk about your team. I talk about your organization. But sometimes we don't actually know how to define who is switched on, who is switched off. Alright, now it's very evident that a switched off person is somebody who has quit network marketing, who has given up, alright, or somebody who is not committed, not doing enough, not doing the right activities. So you call them switch off, alright, or not doing any activities, doesn't attend the system, doesn't communicate with you, blah 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 blah. Basically somebody who signed up, had a spike of excitement, didn't see the results they desire, expectation was not managed by the upline, and then boom, right, switch off. Some of them can be switched on again, and some of them, you see them when you buy a Ferrari, alright, or you send them photographs in all the countries you travel, or sitting in first class on a flight. Okay, guys, but let's talk about the switched on people. Right now, in your organization, there is a percentage of people who are very switched on. People who you are communicating with, people you are managing, people you interact with, new sign up, old sign up, people who've been in the system for years. But my question is, how do you define and how do you categorize, how do you compartmentalize and manage the switched on people? Because right now you have a large number, maybe hundreds, maybe 50, 60, maybe thousands of switched on people. These are people who want to do the business. These are people who believe in network marketing. These are people who are very, very focused on their dreams and are willing to pay the price, who are committed, who are willing to do whatever it takes. But they're not all the same. Alright, so I've come to realize when I deal with the switched on organization all over the world, you got to talk to them, manage them, and guide them differently. Alright, so the first rule of understanding who is switched on is not somebody who just sends WhatsApp chats. Alright, and it's not somebody who attends the system regularly, because attending the system could also be for the wrong reasons. He could be attending the system because his social life sucks, alright, or she doesn't have a social life, and they just want to attend a system to feel relevant or feel like they belong to an organization or something like that. But you have another group of people, alright, who are switched on, okay, because they're doing the right activity. So first, categorize them. So my rules are very simple. First, a switched on person can only qualify as truly a switched on person if they are doing one activity. That is presentation, presentation, presentation. So if you look at this large number of switched on people who attend your events, who say, hi bro, hi sis, I'm with you, I have a dream, or even come to VCon. But then it doesn't mean they are switched on unless you are very clear that they are doing presentation. Alright? And the number of presentation is something we can decide together. What is the number of presentation? 1 a week, 2 a week, 3 a week, 4 a week, 5 a week, doesn't matter. But you need to understand that a switched on person must be doing that activity. Firstly, presentation. Alright? The second category are people who may not be doing or meeting your expectation on presentation, but they are committed. But they are not using networking as a social club. They are not filling up an emptiness or a void in their lives by coming into your system or your power of association. That they truly believe in network marketing. These are sincere people, and you can see them and you know them. Now these are valuable assets. So the first category of people who are doing presentation, they are the most valuable assets. Hang on to them, communicate, support, guide them. Then the second category, they are doing a little bit of presentation once a month, twice a month. They attend the system. You can see that they have an empty cup and they are very focused on their goals and dreams. And you feel that sense of sincerity from them. But they are not doing enough presentation. Now they still qualify as requiring your support. That you should be there for them, that you should care for them, support them, push them a little bit, guide them, make them focus on presentation, and boom, they'll switch over to category 1. So this is category 2, committed but not doing enough activity. Belief system strong, not doing enough activity. Switched on, not doing enough activity. But sincerity, that means their decision here and here is aligned. Alright, very simple. So that group of people you need to manage. Okay, then you have the third category. Alright, and this third category of people, don't waste time so much with them, but don't also ignore them. These are people who are there. They are physically there. Alright, they are not doing much activity. They love networking, they love everything about networking, but they are not willing to pay the price. They haven't made that decision. Like last week I spoke about commitment. They're not committed. But these are people you can convert. Because I believe in network marketing, we constantly convert people or upgrade people. From system attendees, not very committed, you upgrade them to a higher level of commitment. Alright? And they believe in networking. They believe this is a form of entrepreneurship. And the final upgrade is upgrading them into the group of people who do presentation, presentation, presentation. Because without presentation, there's no BV. Without BV, there's no US dollars, no income every week. Alright? So you got these three categories of people. Now you need to work with them differently. And you need to give a level of commitment highest to category 1. So don't waste your time. Don't be conned or charmed by the people who are doing everything except presentation. And you spend the most time with them because you feel they are sort of dancing around you and need your focus, attention. That's wrong. Give your time, give your attention, give your commitment, alright, to the ones who are doing presentation. Those are the people who need you. Those are the people you should give respect to and give time. Those are the people you should spend hours with, late nights, because they are paying the real price by doing presentation. Alright? You cannot be the person facilitating a social club. That network marketing is not a social club. Alright? But sometimes uplines feel that they need to facilitate the social club because it's a feel-good environment. You want to feel that there are more people who want to join your club. You can have 1 million people in your club, doesn't mean you will max out. You can have 100 people who are doing presentation every week, who have TAT every week, who are focused on their goals, who are willing to pay the price, boom, you can max out. So the number of switched on people, the number of people attending your system, the number of people hanging around you is not the true definition of the power of your organization. You could have 50 dedicated people come to your system every week, and if all of them are doing presentation consistently, you can still max out. That's the beauty of network marketing. Alright? That the numbers, the large numbers of switched on people, it all depends whether it's category 1, 2 or 3. You need to upgrade people this week. You need to start moving people from down higher and higher and higher in your group of switched on people to reach the ultimate position of those who are doing the right activity. Presentation, TAT. Now these are the people who are producing results. These are the people who make a difference in your weekly checks. These are the people who come up on stage and change lives. These are the people who eventually become V partners, AVP, V councils. So don't shift your focus. Don't give your time to the wrong group. Alright? Don't love and care the wrong group. Alright? Pay attention to who is really producing results. Edify them. Give them time. Show them your commitment. These are the people who deserve your time. These are the people who make a difference. Alright? The people who are doing the right activity. So if you're watching this video, my question to you, I know you're switched on. Or not, you're not going to watch this video. But what kind of switched on networker are you? Ask yourself, be honest with yourself. Are you really doing 4-5 presentation a week? Do you have a weekly goal that you are very committed to? That you are doing TAT with your uplines? That you are consistent in all your actions as a serious entrepreneur networker with QNet and the V? Or are you one of these people who hang around and linger because you have nowhere else to go? Alright? Don't turn QNet into a social club. Alright? Don't be dependent on any aspect of QNet except financial freedom. That if one thing you should be dependent on for QNet is your financial freedom, nothing else. Everything else is bonus, everything else is nice, all the socialities and everything else is important. But right now, what kind of switched on networker are you? So my message this Wednesday, that being switched on alone is not enough. We have millions of switched on networkers who don't produce a single BV, who don't sign up a single direct referral. They just hang around. They become managers. They become heroes when they're really not. Right? They get edified wrongly by people because of social fabric and favors and friendship and brotherhood and sisterhood. But ultimately I believe that a real networker is the guy who pays the ultimate price of going out there and doing a presentation. The hardest work in network marketing is to talk to a complete stranger and convince them to sign up, part with their money and start their journey with QNet and the V. Now those people are my type of switch on people. So if you're watching this video and you are doing presentations like a maniac, you have earned my respect. Alright? That I would love you to be in my inner circle of real switched on networkers. So this week, upgrade your organization. Look for all the people, the committed ones, the hanging around ones, those who still believe a little bit in networking, those who come for your system, watch the Wednesday message, follow everything, blah, 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 blah. Now take that large group of people, alright, and push them up and up and up to become a real switched on networker who does the ultimate activity of presentation. So it's Wednesday. How many presentations have you done? You got 2 more days of the week. How many presentations have you done? What's your target this week? How far are you from it? Are you going to achieve it? Alright? Are you a man and woman who keeps their promises and takes their target seriously? Do or die mentality. And ultimately, are you, as Dato Sri Vijay always says, are you a truly switched on networker? As I defined it in this message. If you are, I love you and you have earned my respect. In 2018, remain consistently switched on as a true definition as I've given you. I love you guys and see you at VCon Malaysia. One people, one planet, one purpose. Stay switched on.